Welcome to our 2026 geopolitical update. Today, we examine the intensifying conflict in the Middle East and its profound impact on global oil markets. Our first vocabulary term is escalation. In this context, escalation refers to a rapid increase in the intensity or seriousness of a conflict. Observe this 3D map. Glowing red lines represent the rising tensions between Iran and Israel, indicating a significant regional escalation. Simultaneously, we see U.S. naval carrier movements. This strategy is known as Brinkmanship, pushing a dangerous situation to the absolute limit to achieve goals. Now, let's look at the Strait of Hormuz. A blockade has been established here. A blockade is the act of sealing off a place. The strait is a critical choke point. In geopolitics, a choke point is a strategic narrow passage that can easily be closed to traffic. This blockade has triggered a global supply shock. A supply shock is an unexpected event that suddenly changes the price of a commodity. Fuel prices are skyrocketing worldwide. This disturbance in the oil market is causing major interruptions in the global economy and transportation sectors. We are also seeing intense diplomatic friction. This term describes the disagreements and tensions that arise between nations during a crisis. The market has become extremely volatile. Volatile means the situation is liable to change rapidly and unpredictably, creating high levels of risk. Analysts are currently bearish on the short-term outlook. Bearish signifies a pessimistic view, expecting prices or economic growth to fall. Conversely, some energy investors remain bullish, hoping for a quick resolution. Bullish describes an optimistic outlook, expecting prices or markets to rise. However, recessionary pressure is mounting globally. This refers to the economic forces that threaten to push countries into a period of decline. Let's review our key terms: escalation, brinkmanship, blockade, choke point, and volatile. These are essential for understanding international news today. Can you use the word escalation in a sentence? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more language guides on world events.